What's up guys, Philip here from Garage Red. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. Had some issues with my 1290 Super Duke. Don't want to get into too much detail, but what actually happened is the bike went to KTM, a dealership. Because I bought it from them, they still had a warranty on the motorbike for me to purchase it as a second-hand vehicle. And there was some issues with coolant leaking and coolant going missing. They then fixed it, and then about 2 months after that I noticed the same problem occurring. I then sent it back, and subsequently 3 weeks later I got the bike back. So now the bike went back again, and just after I painted the wheels and I got the wheels back, the bike back, and the wheels were scratched, and then I tied up with the dealership and they denied everything. Big fight with them, and I decided to step away. I'm no longer doing business with that dealership. I won't support them in any way or form. But I then told them if there's anything that comes up with regards to the coolant issue again, I will then tie up with KTM South Africa and KTM Austria, because I went that route previously to get the bike fixed because they didn't want to support me. But yeah, not going to give too much detail on who the dealership is. I'm just going to say it's rad that KTM can't support their customers, and I think you will catch who I'm talking about. But yeah, anyway, since the bike got back, I then changed the handlebar, because the previous one was bent due to the previous owner that dropped the bike. So I replaced it with a nice orange one. I did a seat cowl as well that I ordered from AliExpress. And then smaller indicators at the back. And today I am going to do a BMC washable performance air filter. So that's on for today. There is plans for me to change the rear sets and then some other goodies, but I'm still deciding if I'm going to order that and install that on a bike. So I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse now, and I'll show you guys the process of getting the air filter changed.
Can't breathe in, looking for a face I know. I don't wanna be alone, daydreaming, no feelings, looking for a place to go, somewhere I can lose control. I'll find my nirvana.
Alright guys, so that's me done with the air filter. Just on a side note, I'm actually very disappointed in the dealerships because this bike has gone for 2 services and it went for work at the dealership for the coolant, and they never replaced the air filter. They quoted me for the air filter and I paid for the air filter, but this motorbike already had a DNA performance filter installed. I don't know how good it was or good it is. The dealership didn't even do the effort to clean it, even though you paid them for a new filter or to clean it. They didn't do that. So I've got a BMC installed now. Gonna give the bike a quick wash and then I'll do a cold start on it so you guys can hear what it sounds like. And then there is plans to actually do these fairings, wrap them in a matte black, satin black color, and redo the stickers because I don't want to paint them. But yeah, that's for the next video. Until then, I'll do a quick wash, do a cold start on it, and show you the indicators because that's quite nice. And then that's all for this week. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and share. My goal is to get at least 1,000 subscribers. I want to redo my garage, the floor, the ceiling, the roof and the walls, and then all the cabinets. Lay it out a bit better for me to work on my bikes and my cars. But I can only start doing that once my subscriptions has grown, so my subscribers. So if I can reach 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers, then I can start investing money on redoing the garage. But yeah, until then, I'll show you the cold start, and then yeah, until next week.
Traffic, got you 50 gas, tanks prepared. Stand by 1 second. And traffic is in your tank tag, but...
Can't breathe in, looking for a face I know. I don't wanna be alone, daydreaming, no feelings, looking for a place.